How to balance motorcycle club, rides, work, and family. Hey guys, this is Naisa, the Lady Rider, and thank you for joining my channel. Like always, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification bell for future notification videos. Alright, paano nga ba natin ibabalanse ang pagra-rides, motorsiklo, trabaho, at ang pamilya? Is it possible to join a motorcycle club, join in a big event like endurance race, while holding down a demanding job, bringing up children, or tougher still doing all three? The answer is definitely yes, though it's really difficult to find time to juggle all three. But there are many riders who train and race at all levels who successfully manage to balance this with a full-time job and family. It's true there's less opportunity for riding, but then I dare say there are plenty of riders with ample leisure time who don't make the most of it at all. Even with a clear idea of what you want to do, there will still be times when work and rides come into conflict. Example, sa trabaho mo na lamang, nais ng boss mo na makita agad ang report mo sa oras ng alas 9, ngunit may nakaset kayo na rides ng alas 8. Paano ito? Anong gagawin mo? Well, the answer is simple. Work pays the mortgage, so it should come first. Doesn't that means that the rides or the clubs has been compromised? Yes, many times. But you can set a rides all year. So, there's always a place and a time to do well. Organize your time. Get a diary or a wall planner and write down everything you're doing. Example, say, this is my time and this is my family time. The challenge of juggling work and rides or motorcycle club is one thing. But balancing your motorcycle club life with a family is quite another. Even those of us who enjoy our jobs are usually happy to head home at the end of the day and put in reasonable predictable hours. But a family pulls on the heartstrings in a way that the office never does. What's more, a family is a 24/7 lifetime commitment. That's why it should come first all the time. Kaya wag na wag mo nga hayaang piliing mangibabaw ang pagra-rides or motorcycle club sa pamilya at trabaho. Palaging tandaan na itong dalawang ito ang palaging piliing una sa lahat. Dahil ang motorcycle club or rides ay nandyan lamang anytime. Pero ang trabaho at pamilya ay napakahirap ibalik kapag ito ay nawala. Anyway, plan ahead. Set a specific times for work, family, and the rides. Be flexible. The demands of career and children aren't always easy to predict. So be ready for the rides to take back seat from time to time. Give something back. If your family supports you in your riding community and rides, show how much you appreciate it. Sometimes combine rides with a family outing, and maybe sometimes promise them to take off. Because quality time on the ride over a quantity is the key if you don't want your family to feel ignored. Alright, as you can see, we have reached our destination. Itong view na to na nakikita nyo yan, ito nga po pala ang natatagong isla ng Macabebe. Pwede dito mag-picnic, bonding time with the family. Marami na rin pumapasyal dito every Sunday or weekend. Pwede nyo tong pasyalan minsan. Napakadaling puntahan. I-search nyo lamang po sa Google Map or Waze. Makikita nyo po ang Consuelo, Macabebe, Pampanga, Hidden Paradise. Shoutout nga pala kay Big Bro Tolex na naging driver at photographer ko. Thank you so much, bro. Pupwesto muna kami dun sa babaan ng paglubog ng araw. Abangan namin yung sunset mamaya. So, going back to our topic. As I said, it's not that easy, but if you do time management, it will become easy. Just remember the 3 things that I've said. Plan ahead, be flexible, and give something back in return. Alright guys, this is something quick I wanted to go over because I got a lot of people talking to me about the joining motorcycle club and they don't have enough time or they're actually in a motorcycle club. And I get messages also about the people thinking about leaving their own club just because they feel stressed out that they're too involved. But remember, you set your own expectations in the club. The club will understand about jobs and family. Sometimes we put so much pressure on ourselves to do everything that we can for the club that we forget that hey, they're just like me and they have jobs and they will understand that and they should understand. And if they don't, it might not be the right place for you. Alright guys, that's all for today. And please don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell for future notification videos. So, until next time, see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!